Hey, Arjun. Did you attend the lecture on environmental science today?
Yeah, I did. The professor was super engaging. I didn't know climate change had so many layers.
I know, right? I found the part about renewable energy fascinating. Are you planning to write your paper on that topic?
Definitely. I think I'll focus on solar energy solutions. What about you? Have you decided on your topic for the sociology class?
I'm thinking of exploring urbanization and its impact on community structures. It feels relevant to our city.
That sounds interesting. Have you started your research?
Just a bit. I found some good articles online. We should study together later this week.
Great idea. We can come to the library every day. By the way, have you heard about Friday's guest lecture?
Yes, I can't wait. It's about sustainable development, right?
Exactly. I think it'll be a great opportunity to ask questions and network a bit.
For sure. Let's make a plan to grab lunch after the lecture, too.
Sounds like a plan. I'll see you in class tomorrow?
Yep. See you then.